Want to know why Atlas AC is the best HVAC place for installers to work at in Texas? Let me show you. Hi, my name is Terry with Atlas AC. I'll be showing you how installs are prepped for success here in the office and the team you'll be working with.
I know that the computer was a concern.
Here we are with Noah, the product engineer department. What he's going to be reviewing with you is why SEER 2, why equipment got bigger, making it more difficult for you to install. Anyways, Noah, take it away.
I don't even remember anything you said, to be honest.
All right, okay, cut. Here we are with Noah, now that he's ready. All right, Noah, if you would jump in and tell us a little bit about what you do.
Yeah, so I oversee estimating and purchasing. And then what I do is I review the details for the overall job to make sure all the equipment is properly sized, but also to set up the install team for success so that way they can have a quality installation.
All right, where we will be moving next is to the install department so you can kind of start seeing all these details come together. Well, here's where the magic really starts to happen. Joanna, if you would go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Joanna. I'm the install manager here. I check all the processes, make sure that the warehouse, okay, my name is Joanna and I oversee all install processes for Atlas. I coordinate with customers in the warehouse and my install team to make sure everything is aligned for each day.
Okay, let's review a job now. Joanna, if you would show kind of how you review the job and the photos and all that, like you do with an install team every morning.
All right, of course. The process for the reviewing is I go through every job with them every morning. I review any private notes that may be for the job. After that, I pull up the site survey. The outside. Whoa!
1, 2.
I am here with Omar out in the warehouse. This is where the physical parts start coming together. Omar, would you introduce yourself?
Sure. My name is Omar. My job is oversee the station and the warehouse. If they have everything they need, they can stay focused for a professional and high quality job. We have the bucket. In this bucket, we provide all the supplies. It can come from the smooth install. That's one of the problems that we can have. So we provide to the seller team everything they need for smooth and better installation.
Nathan, you ready for your interview?
Yeah. Hey, just don't touch any live wires.
You wear a lot of hats in the install department, from QC to training to technical support if guys do run into some problems. How many years have you been in the industry?
About 43.
Okay, wow. And then how many of those were actually in the field?
About 35 or so, give or take.
When it comes to being in the install department and everything, you know, and the position that you're in, like what are your favorite things about it?
Well, and being involved in training is probably personal growth with the guys, watching them come in, fresh out of trade school or fresh off the street, and go from being a helper to being an install tech to being a lead tech, running their own truck, and just their growth really of that person.
Definitely. Well, there you have it. The Atlas AC install processes streamlined with you in mind.